everyone, today I'm going to be harvesting some carrots. As you can see, the carrots are ready to be harvested. They peek through the soil like this to let you know that they are ready for you to pick them and they are ready to eat. The good thing about carrots is you can leave them in the soil until you're ready to harvest them if you don't have any bug infestation or anything like that. So I'm going to pick a couple of these for a salad I am going to make, and I'm going to show you guys how to harvest carrots. Just grab it by the base and you just wiggle it and pull it out. Do this one as well. Going to put some seeds in here and replace these for my second round for the fall, but I got about 8 or 9 more that's ready, but I'm not going to use them right now. So this right here is what I'm going to be using for my salad for today. Thank you for watching. Feel free to subscribe and comment, and enjoy the rest of your day.